This initial washing phase is essential. We have to remove all the bitter compounds before they are safe to eat. After slicing, the bamboo is boiled in these massive vats. This is the crucial step that removes the bitterness, making the shoots edible.
The deep forest provides the perfect environment for these vibrant shoots. Here at the collection point, the day
loaded with freshly harvested bamboo, these trucks navigate the challenging terrain, bringing the raw material to the processing site. The raw bamboo shoots arrive daily and are immediately transferred to the conveyor system for initial cleaning.
This initial sorting line utilizes advanced optical sensors and automated arms to grade the bamboo shoots.
Here we see the initial cleaning phase. Powerful water jets ensure that all dirt and debris are completely removed.
This continuous motion highlights the rapid peeling process. Utilizing sharp knives and swift movements,
Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, the shoots are moved along the conveyor and sliced with unparalleled precision under bright LED illumination.
The continuous motion of the slicing line ensures perfect uniformity. These high-speed blades can process thousands.
The bitterness removal tanks are crucial. Sliced shoots are boiled vigorously to leach out the compounds that cause the bitter taste.
The first critical step is the detox stage. Here, in these massive vats, the boiling water works to remove the bamboo shoots are rapidly transported into the boiling tunnel, a critical step that neutralizes enzymes and ensures the crisp texture.
Here in the detox station, the vigorous flushing cycle is essential. We drain and replace the water continuously.
This rapid cooling process is essential for preserving the crisp texture and flavor of the bamboo shoots.
This continuous motion ensures the final impurities are removed before the shoots move to the next stage.
Ensuring the perfect texture, ensuring the protein is crucial. Our team meticulously inspects the bamboo as it moves down the line.
Here in the soaking tanks, the bamboo begins the crucial flavor absorption process. The controlled environment ensures controlling the fermentation is crucial for developing the distinct flavor of the bamboo shoots. Temperature and time are carefully monitored here. Here we see the dehydration process in action. The warm airflow creates this localized steam, essential for preserving the bamboo's quality.
as the fresh bamboo arrives, the line diverges. Workers quickly sort the raw shoots from those ready for blending.
The final stage involves meticulous hand trimming to ensure uniformity. The trimmed shoots are then placed on the conveyor for the next step.
Inside the ultra-thin precision slicing line, razor-sharp blades cut fresh bamboo into delicate, uniform sheets at an astonishing rate.
Utilizing high-speed rotation, the machine creates perfect, moist spiral ribbons, which are then carried away for the next stage of processing.
This cutting line is the heart of the operation. Continuous motion and rhythmic chopping patterns ensure that
utilizing state-of-the-art LED and sensor technology, the grading conveyor ensures that only the finest cuts of bamboo proceed to the next stage.
Here in the soaking tanks, the freshly cut bamboo is immersed in a continuous flow of salt brine, a critical step in the preservation process. Here, the bamboo enters the seasoning line. A fine, aerosolized mist ensures every slice receives a uniform coating of our unique flavor blend.
the continuous rotation ensures that every slice is evenly coated, locking in the vibrant flavor and aroma.
In this sealed marination chamber, the bamboo slices slowly absorb the carefully balanced flavors, a process critical to achieving the perfect texture. The bamboo shoots enter the steam tunnel, where the high heat begins the softening process, ensuring perfect texture. The high-pressure steaming system is critical. Controlled cycles break down the fibers, ensuring the bamboo shoots achieve perfect tenderness.
Here in the cooling zone, the freshly steamed bamboo is rapidly chilled by forced air, ensuring quality and extending shelf life before it moves down the line.
Utilizing advanced simulation, these rotating pans mimic the precise movements of expert stir-frying.
Here in scene 33, the bamboo shoots receive their signature glaze. The sauce cascades evenly across the moving.
This specialized hot air chamber uses high-velocity airflow to crisp the bamboo without a drop of oil.
The macro lens reveals the subtle shift from soft, moist fibers to a firm, richly textured surface as the drying completes.
Here in the workshop, the freshly harvested bamboo undergoes its first steaming. This releases the continuous motion of the blending line ensures that every slice of bamboo is evenly combined with the mixed vegetables.
Here in the processing workshop, the bamboo shoots are carefully prepared. The final assembly. Here in the processing workshop, the conveyor system uses high-speed blades to precisely divide the cooked bamboo into equal portions for distribution.
The final stage of quality control ensures only the freshest bamboo reaches the market.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, sophisticated alignment systems and meticulous workers.
The integration of these advanced robotic systems allows for unparalleled precision, placing the freshly prepared bamboo.
The air extraction process is critical for preserving freshness. As the vacuum seals, the packaging tightens, locking in the flavor of the bamboo shoots.
Here at the heart of the operation, the heat seal finalization ensures every package is perfectly airtight, locking in the freshness of the bamboo shoots.
Here in the processing workshop, the QC line inspects thousands of bamboo shoot packs daily, utilizing advanced LED scanning technology. Here in the labeling station, precision is paramount. The machines work tirelessly to prepare the fresh bamboo shoots for market.
Here, the bamboo shoots are grouped into retail-ready sets. The synchronized motion ensures maximum efficiency under sterile conditions.
Utilizing high-speed automation, the workshop can instantly transform flat cardboard into secure packaging for the fresh bamboo.
The integration of robotics has revolutionized the packing process, allowing for unprecedented speed and accuracy in preparing the bamboo for market.
Once the bamboo shoots are packed, the cartons move smoothly through the sealing rollers, securing the freshness within.
As the cartons move through the scanning station, the integrated sensors log the traceability data in real time, guaranteeing transparency.
In this highly automated logistics zone, robotic arms precisely stack cartons of processed bamboo shoots.
Scene 53 highlights the final stage of processing. The automated system tightly wraps the pallets. Maintaining the cold chain is critical. These shoots are rapidly moved into controlled temperature zones, ensuring their quality from the workshop to the consumer. The refrigerated conveyor system ensures consistent temperature preservation. Chilled airflow and precise climate control are here at the documentation hub. The team meticulously verifies the digital shipment data, ensuring every crate of bamboo shoots reaches its destination. Utilizing state-of-the-art logistics, these forklifts ensure that the bamboo shoots reach their destination efficiently and on schedule. The dispatch process is critical, ensuring the freshly processed bamboo reaches international markets efficiently. The convoy is the lifeblood of the operation, moving thousands of tons of processed bamboo from the workshop to markets across the region.
The massive gantry cranes operate ceaselessly, transferring vital bamboo shipments from the processing facility directly onto awaiting vessels.
Under the bright sun, this colossal container ship glides across the deep blue water, a vital link in the chain of international trade. Alternative transport methods are crucial for delicate cargo like these bamboo shoots. The team works around the clock to ensure timely delivery. Once unloaded from the port containers, the bamboo shoots move quickly down the line, a testament to the synchronized precision of the operation.
Here at the intake warehouse, imported bamboo shoots arrive daily. Our team processes thousands of pallets.
Once processed, the bamboo shoots are rapidly transferred from the workshop floor to awaiting delivery trucks, ensuring peak freshness for the supermarkets. In the bustling back room, efficiency is key. The processed bamboo is carefully organized by the team.
From vacuum-sealed packs to dried stacks, this display showcases the versatility of the bamboo shoot in modern cuisine.
Customers appreciate the freshness and variety of our bamboo products.
This one is marinated in soy, look.
Yes, much better. We'll take this one.
Once processed, the bamboo shoots are vacuum sealed for freshness and quickly moved through the checkout line to be shipped around the globe. To maintain peak freshness, the bamboo shoots are immediately removed from their packaging and rinsed under cold, running water.
As you can see, the mixture needs to be stirred until every piece is evenly coated in the rich, glossy sauce.
Here in the workshop, we use specialized high-powered burners to achieve that smoky wok-hei flavor.
The freshly harvested bamboo shoots are quickly transferred to the industrial steamers to lock in their delicate flavor.
Slow simmering allows the bamboo to absorb the complex flavors of the broth before drying.
To achieve this depth of flavor, the bamboo must be constantly monitored, ensuring an even char across the fibrous surface.
The final touches are crucial. A drizzle of the amber reduction and delicate microgreens elevate the humble bamboo shoot to a culinary masterpiece.
The secret to truly tender bamboo lies in the rapid steaming process, locking in the moisture and creating this unparalleled glossy finish. This signature platter, fresh from the workshop floor, highlights the versatility of the bamboo shoot, stir-fried to perfection and served steaming hot.
The work on the floor is undeniable. And as you can see, the reaction speaks for itself.
The evening meal is a celebration of the harvest.
Yeah, this braised dish is particularly tender this year, Father.
It truly is.
In this workshop, the versatile bamboo shoot is prepared for dishes across the globe. From the fiery curries of Thailand.
Freshly harvested bamboo shoots are quickly blanched, then stir-fried over intense heat. A dash of chili paste and a burst of
The bamboo shoots are simmered in a rich, aromatic broth, a staple of the local street food scene here in the market.
The team works tirelessly to prepare hundreds of these bamboo shoot meals daily, moving from the assembly line directly into the hands of the delivery fleet.
We begin by finely slicing the fresh bamboo. Once the wok is screaming hot, we quickly toss them to seal in the flavor.
From the moment the shoots are our focus is on preserving their natural goodness. The result is a perfectly balanced meal, essential for wellness. Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, these tender bamboo shoots are carefully prepared and packaged, preserving their delicate texture and flavor. From the field to the shelf, every step is meticulously controlled, ensuring that our bamboo products retain their crisp texture and delicate flavor.
From bustling workshops to Michelin-starred tables, the journey of the bamboo shoot highlights the interconnected.
This recap shows the meticulous process required, from the raw, fibrous stalk to the tender strips tossed in the wok. The transition from forest harvest to plated delicacy is seamless. Freshly cut, meticulously cleaned.
Notice the stark difference in texture. The raw fibers are rigid and pale, while the cooked bamboo is succulent, soft, and richly colored.
Here, in the heart of the workshop, the transformation begins. The steam carries away the raw bitterness.
Utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, the freshly harvested bamboo is cleaned, precisely sliced, and then rapidly prepared.
Here in the processing workshop, the continuous motion of the conveyor belt highlights the rhythm of production.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, the continuous motion of the processing line highlights the elements.
Here, the integration of work and home is complete. The bamboo travels from the workshop floor directly to the...
Freshly harvested, these bamboo shoots are quickly transported to the workshop and steamed, locking in their unique flavor and creating this vibrant, glossy finish.
For centuries, these mountains have provided the bounty, and this workshop ensures the legacy of preparing it.
The documentary style reveals the meticulous process within the workshop. Here, the freshly prepared bamboo shoots.
A staple in many cuisines, the bamboo shoot undergoes a meticulous process to ensure its delicate fibers and moisture are perfectly preserved.
As the light sweeps across the glistening sauce, we see the culmination of a time-honored process, preserving the crisp texture of the bamboo.
Here in the workshop, the raw shoot undergoes its final transformation, emerging as a perfectly braised delicacy ready for the table. Deep into the night, this factory hums with activity, processing thousands of pounds of fresh bamboo shoots daily to meet global demand. The final stage sees the bamboo shoots vacuum sealed and ready for market, ensuring freshness from the workshop to the consumer.
This visualization tracks the global flow of our products. From here, we supply markets across 4 continents.
The journey from the workshop floor to the global market happens on a truly massive scale, connecting us all across the blue marble.
As the earth slowly turns beneath us, the artificial glow of millions of city lights illuminates the night,
The delicate process of preparing the bamboo has been perfected over generations, resulting in this exquisite texture and flavor.